Hello, my third grade friends, and we are on week 17, day 1 of our math review. So first thing's always the same. We pick up our pencil and we write down our name. Okay. Now, the expectation is that you should have spent at least no more than 10 minutes trying to solve these 4 problems. And now you are either correcting it and then getting the secret word, or you are learning how to do this and following along. So let's get started. So remember, if it ends in a 0, then we can kind of think about, well, we could do 50 times 3. So 3 groups of 50 would be like 50 plus 50 plus 50, because remember, multiplication is just repeat addition. So 50 plus 50 plus 50 is 150. That one was easy, but what if we didn't have a super easy one? So 60 times 4. Well, if I have a 0, I just move the 0 over here, right? And then 4 times 6 is, I know, 24. So if I combine these two together, 24, 0, so 240. 60 times 4 is 240. Sorry, it's not focusing. Now, this one, well, I know that 50 times 3 is 150, so an extra 50 would be 200, but let me show you how we did it, just like knowing, like I'm using the work I already did to help me with my next one. So, well, I moved the 0 over there, right? Now 4 times 5 is 20, and look, it works out. 200, or 4 50s is 200, or 50 times 4. Okay, there are 8 girls in Katie's Girl Scout troop. Each girl decorated 3 gingerbread men. How many gingerbread men did the girls decorate all together? Well, if there are equal groups, so we have 8 girls, and I'm going to just go ahead and draw this over here. So here's 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girl, 5 girl, 6 girl, 7 girl, 8 girl, right? Those are my girls. And then they each get 3 gingerbread men. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I could count all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I could do that, or I know that 8 girls times 3 cookies equals 24. So how many gingerbread men did they do? So it's not just 24, it's 24 I'm going to have to bread cookies. Okay, so it's important to label our answers. Okay, 436 plus 296. Okay, so maybe you've done this with standard algorithm, maybe you did the break apart method, but today I'm going to do the number line. So I'm going to actually start over here so I can show you a better number line. So I'm going to take 436, right? And here's my number line. And I'm going to add 296 to this. Well, I know that 296 really breaks down to a 200, a 90, and a 6. So if I jump 100, 200, right? So 200 would be 636, okay? So I've done that 200. I'm going to do the 6 next. So this is 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So this is 642, okay? And I've done my 6 there. Now if I jumped 90, right? So I would be 672, 682, well, sorry, 652, 662, 672, 682, 692, 702, 722, 732. So that's how I would do it on a number line, but do you have to do it like that? Well, maybe I want to check my work. I'm not sure if 732, so maybe I'm just going to check it, and I'm going to do it using standard algorithm. Great thing about having our pages like this is we could just check it. So 6 plus 6 is 12, carry the 1. So 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 3 is 13, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. 732. Well, looks like I got it right, so 732. However you solved it. If it was number line, break apart method, standard algorithm, however you solved it, I need to be able to see your work. Okay, 48 divided by something equals 8. Okay, so, well, I know it's going to equal 8, so I could skip count to 8 to get there. Okay, so let's try that. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So it must mean that it takes, if you have 48 and you divide it into 6 groups, you would have 8 in each group. Okay, so now look at this. 8, something divided by 8 equals 7. Well, I know 8 times 7 is 56. So it must be 56 divided by 8 equals 7. And 63 divided by 9. Okay, so if I had 63 things and I put them into 9 equal groups, that would be 7. Doesn't matter how you came to it. Maybe you used your multiplications chart. So maybe you have this guy nearby, or you have a multiplications chart. I'll show you how to do it with this one too, okay? So 63 and 9. So if you have a multiplication chart, I'm going to go down. I'm in the 9s column. I go all the way down to 63. Then I go across, and that means it's related to 7. So different ways to solve it or understand multiplication and division and how they are related. Okay, the secret word for today is going to be journey. You're taking a journey through this math, okay? So make sure that's on there, get it corrected, make sure you show your work, and we'll see you in the next